Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily fix Wi-Fi not working on your Lenovo laptop. To begin, once you click on your Wi-Fi or in your bar, you can't see the Wi-Fi adapter or it's not working at all. If you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, just go to your search bar and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel to open. At this stage you might have different view, maybe by large or small icons, so change it back to category. Next step, click on Network and Internet. As a next step, click on Network and Sharing Center. You might or you might not see under View Your Active Networks your network. So if you see it or not, it's not a problem. Just go to Change Adapter Settings, and this little window will pop up for you. As you can see, we have three versions. That should be also the same for you: Ethernet, vEthernet, and Wi-Fi. And under Wi-Fi, choose Disable. Right-click, select Enable, and wait for a few seconds. As a next step, right-click, Properties, select Internet Protocol v4, scroll down and select Internet Protocol v6 and click OK. Wait for a few seconds and normally the Wi-Fi should start working for you. Click Connect and the settings should be working for you.